Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to add a video in your Squarespace website. Let's come to the computer screen, and here is the dashboard of my Squarespace website. And in my case I'm gonna put a video section here in my website, and we'll put the video on this website. So how to do it? Let's start. Here is the edit button. You have to click this edit button, and now you are in editing mode of your Squarespace website, and go where you want to put the section. I'm gonna put it here in between these two. Click add section, and here you will find some sections like contact us, about, pages, and here is a video option. Click this. You will find different templates here, and you can use them according to your requirements, and I'm gonna using it. Click it. Here is this. You can put the text here, double clicks and put text here, and you have to put the video here. Here is already a sample video, and if you want to change it, you have to click this pencil icon, and here you will find this video. I'm gonna delete this first, and we'll put another video here. You can upload the file, you can select it from your existing library, or you can put the link here. I'm gonna put a YouTube link here. Click the add button. You can find my video has added. You can customize feature image, or you can set some other setting from here. So this is a way how to add a video in your Squarespace website. After adding it, you have to save this from here. Now my website has saved. Now you can click this arrow icon, scroll down a little bit. Here is the section of my video. So this is the way how to add a video in your Squarespace website. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.